Traditional salad Lyonnaise recipe vertical bar. Classic French salad with bacon and poached egg. Introduction, 1 minute. Honduras, 10-00-30. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a classic French salad called Salade Lyonnaise. It's a delicious salad with greens, crispy bacon, a poached egg, and croutons. $500, 30-01, Umberard. Brief overview of the recipe and ingredients. This recipe is simple and full of flavor. Let's see what we need. Presentation of ingredients, 1 minute. 01-00-01-30. List of ingredients. Show the ingredients arranged on a table. 4 cups frisée or mixed greens. 150 g, 5 ounces bacon, diced 2 eggs, 1 cup croutons, 1 shallot, finely chopped 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 4 tablespoons olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. Preparation, 10-12 minutes. 01-30-02, Umberard. Cooking the bacon. First, cook the diced bacon in a skillet over medium heat until it's crispy. Remove and set aside. 02-00-03, Umberard. Making the croutons. In the same skillet, toast the croutons until they are golden brown. Set them aside. 03-00-04, Umberard. Poaching the eggs. Bring a pot of water to a simmer. Add a tablespoon of vinegar. Crack each egg into a small bowl and gently slide them into the water. Poach for 3-4 minutes until the whites are set. Remove with a slotted spoon. 04-00-05, Umberard. Making the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the Dijon mustard, white wine vinegar, and olive oil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 05-00-06, Umberard. Assembling the salad. In a large bowl, toss the greens with the chopped shallot, crispy bacon, and croutons. Drizzle with the mustard dressing and toss to combine. 06-00-07, Umberard. Adding the poached eggs. Top the salad with the poached eggs. Serving and closing, 1-2 minutes. 07-00-08, Umberard. Serving. Serve the Salade Lyonnaise immediately while the eggs are still warm. Enjoy this delicious and classic French salad. 08-00-09, Umberard. Closing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Try this recipe and let me know how it